So hey guys, welcome back to my blog. So today we are going to the goat farm. We don't know where is it, but we are just heading towards the goat farm to get some meat, get some mutton from there. And we will also have some barbecue outside home today. This is all the materials we are taking with us. So see you.
All the Bokas heading out to get the Bakra and Bakris.
So guys, we just arrived. I think it's Berry maybe. I don't know the name of the location. We came here to buy goat meat, but it's quite expensive by the way. Like he's saying like the goat weight maybe around 20 pounds and he's saying 20 kilograms. He's saying like $600 for this one. Let me show you. Oh, beautiful dogs. Hey, what's your name? What's your name? I'm not going to take you. I'm not going to take you back.